So, by next week po, tong alfresco area namin, matatapos na namin to. And mas maganda ang upo there with the view of the Christmas tree and the lights.
Ayan.
Show them this one, no, sir? Like, I think kung ako customer, I would love this area talaga. Kasi, open, diba? Right now kasi it's raining pero if
getting prepared. Ito po magiging part 3 ng Nihaw.
Yes, this is our
alfresco.
This is our space talaga.
Okay.
Pero kasi raining, saka first day pa lang talaga namin today. So, right now your promo is $599 any day, weekend, weekdays, holidays, $599 lang po. And for sure naman, you're gonna get your money's worth po.
Ang money's worth. Kasi ang sarap naman talaga. Tsaka fresh yung ano.
Yes, sir.
Ayan. At tsaka kung makikita nyo, ayan. Ayan yung mga nakain ngayon sa Nihaw. Nihaw means hello. Ano nga pala mga history? Ilang years na?
History?
Ng Nihaw.
Nihaw is actually our new brand this year lang.
Okay.
But the company, we are 5 years in the food industry.
Okay. Ano pong...
I think ang forte namin, it's more into unlimited food. So, masasabi namin na if we offer unlimited, it's more on the sulit side talaga na we want to cater to all classes ng Filipinos and yung palate din nila.
Ayan. Okay.
Sir, sige, to add to that, also, Nihaw Unlimited Hotpot will also open its next branch next month po, December, sa Angeles, Pampanga.
Ang layo!
Yes, we're targeting North and South na.
Okay!
Sa Nepo Mall.
Mag-hands-on din po kayo doon, ma'am? Ng Chris.
Yes.
Mag-hands-on din po kayo doon sa Pampanga?
Yeah, always naman.
Okay! Ang layo!
Ako, kaya naman.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Marami naman pong tao here.
Ayan.
Company po namin kasi we're Cavite-based naman. So, okay.
Ano po yung name ng dating company? Yung dating resto?
I am not sure if I can disclose.
Okay.
Franchising.
Franchising. Yes. Pero ito pong Nihaw at our own.
Yes.
Takilikin nyo po. Ma'am, invite nyo sila dito sa Nihaw.
Invite ko po kayo dito sa Nihaw Unlimited Hotpot. For sure po, magugustuhan nyo. And first in Cavite to have a buffet type of hotpot. And also having our 6 types of soup. Talagang boiled siya from pork bones, no additives, talagang all natural naman for you to taste talaga.
All natural lahat. Ayan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Nihaw Unlimited Hotpot dito sa may Ayala Malls, Vermosa. Dalawin niya rin. Ito po si Nino Christopher Rodriguez at ito po si Ma'am Chris Lee. Siya yung owner nitong Nihaw. Okay. Back to you mga kapwa-kapitenyo. Ciao!